Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss and this is the Pink Trials. Dun 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 dun. Do you like the mask? Yeah, I have masks now. It's great. It's cute. Ta-da. Available at keepyourhairkiss.com. In any case, so the Pink Trials. I have been doing my hair pink for a long time, and I've used like so many brands. And while I am not quite ready to recolor my hair yet because I'm on a little bit of a bleach break just to get things happy and healthy. I do want to do a bit of a product comparison. So I've been using Alfaparf Revolution Neon's Sexy Magenta for years and years and years. I've been using this one and I love it. I absolutely love it. But I've been using a lot of Wella products lately. So I thought I would give the Wella Color Fresh Create High Magenta a bit of a shot. Can you see that? Focus. High Magenta. So I want to compare the two. And to do that, I'm going to use my lovely blonde mannequin. And we're just going to compare the two side by side. Cool. Great. Awesome. What do I need? I need a bowl. I'm going to use this one so I can see them in the bowl right next to each other. Great. Da-da-da-da, opening color. It's Alfaparf Sexy Magenta, and it comes in a 3.4 fluid ounce tube. Great. Color key. I don't need too much because we're just doing a little swatch and I'm gonna need the rest for my hair. I'm gonna waste a bunch of product on you, mannequin. Okay, and then grab this Wella High Magenta in its lovely magenta tube, and this is 2 fluid ounces. Color key, right on the back. Blurp, blurp, blurp. Smells like Kool-Aid. Okay, so right off the bat, this is the Wella, and this is Alfaparf, and I can see that the Alfaparf is a little deeper. It has more pigment to it. It definitely has more of a violet base, which I'm preferable to. I like my pink to stay pretty cool as it's fading. The Wella has a bit of a glittery, sparkly tone to it, which I like. That's cute. Okay. Great. Let's turn you around. I'm gonna work right in this bang area. And we're gonna do 2 foils of each. So let's section. Here's my bang. Slide out of my way. So just working right here in the fringe. Which needs to be cut. Girl, you're due for a haircut. Let's split that right down the middle. Put you off to the side, and I'm going to start with the Alfaparf. And we'll do that. Okay, cool, cool. I'm gonna grab my pink foil for the Alfaparf. I'm so fine with having pink on my hands. Okay, that is. Oh God, don't lose your head. Okay, Alfaparf. Now this section, we're gonna do our Wella. Brush, 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 brush. And this one, we're just gonna go with plain old silver foil. It's definitely got a little bit more of a warm quality to it, like a peachy undertone. Last one. Okay. See, yeah, even on camera it's a little bit more orange compared to the Alfaparf, which has more of a violet base. So you can see the difference between the two magentas. The Alfaparf is definitely a deeper violet, whereas the Alfaparf is a little lighter. I would say it didn't spread, it didn't stretch as easily, but the truth, what really matters is how they wash, how they rinse out and look, you know, dry and finished and pretty. So we are going to let these marinate for 30 minutes. And then we're gonna rinse. See you then. Okay, so I have rinsed and dried out my lovely model here. So let's take a look at what we got. Okay, so, you know what? Let me bring my light down real quick. Maybe we can see a little better. Okay. So this side is the Wella, this side is the Alfaparf. I can already see the Wella didn't saturate as much. So I would say definitely would have to use more product and really, you know, tinier sections, really tinier sections, really like coat the hair. It doesn't stretch as much as the Alfaparf does. The Alfaparf is also the cooler tone. The Wella's a little bit of that warmer. It's got a lot more red than violet to it. So my preference would be more towards the violet-based magenta. This color is also UV reactive, so it's like really fun. But I am liking the two together. So maybe the answer is to just use both and do more of a multi-dimensional magenta. So that's kind of fun. So great. I mean, overall, they're both two terrific magenta colored products. And I think I will do more of a multi-dimensional magenta this go around. I don't know. I guess maybe the real test would be to test them on my eyebrows because the eyebrows are a little finicky with as much as, you know, you wash your face and such. So I would like to see the lasting power of the Wella Magenta in the eyebrows. In any case, well, that was fun trying out some magentas. So that was the Alfaparf Revolution Sexy Magenta versus the Wella Color Fresh Create High Magenta. Great. Well, thank you guys for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that little bell if you want to get some notifications for what's going on. Both of the products I use will be down in the description box. Share this video with anybody looking to compare some color lines. And if you have a favorite magenta semi-permanent hair color, leave it in the comments. I'd love to try it. Yeah. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram. Give your hair a kiss and check out my products and exclusive offers, including the face mask. I'm really pleased with this. This feels really great. It's great material, and it has the little insert for a filter. You can check that out at giveyourhairakiss.com. Till next time, guys.